Looking for a fun, effective, and non-triggering way to teach students how conspiracy theories work? Have them make their own. In part 1, students create their own conspiracy. So who did what and why? Encourage students to be as silly and funny and creative as possible. The hot dog and hot dog bun manufacturers are conspiring to force us to buy more. Cats are all conspiring to take over the world. And everybody knows birds aren't real. Importantly, they also need to tell you their reasoning. Their goal is to weave together a convincing narrative. Part 2 is where it gets really fun. One of the key characteristics about conspiracy theories is that they are immune to evidence. This means that all evidence is interpreted to confirm the conspiracy. Missing evidence was covered up. Or evidence that would disconfirm the conspiracy was planted. It was a false flag. The point is, conspiracy theorists always make excuses for why the evidence doesn't support the narrative. So now you want to put student groups together. Their job is to convince the other group of the truth of their narrative. But the other group's job is to try to poke holes in the narrative. The group that's defending their conspiracy theory needs to maintain their narrative in the face of these attempts to disprove it. The point is, their job as conspiracy theorists is to avoid changing their mind at all costs. When everybody's ready to move on, have the group switch roles so that everybody gets a chance to play conspiracy theorist. In a debrief discussion, ask students, how does critical thinking differ from conspiratorial thinking? Importantly, there are real conspiracies, but we can't find them with conspiratorial thinking. For that, we need critical thinking and evidence. For the full lesson plan with extension activities and supporting materials, visit thinkingispower.com or mentalimmunityproject.org.